The extensive product line for the fabrication of angle iron has traditionally anchored a major segment of Fichep's world-leading position in technology and productivity for structural steel and plate fabrication. The applications that Fichep's rapid angle lines are addressing today are generally for angles found in bridges and some tower components, where high-tolerance holes must be drilled as specified by code. Fichep's HP, SP, and XP angle lines feature punching and shearing of the parts with rack and pinion positioning and measuring systems. They are ideal solutions where a high tolerance is specified for the fabrication of many manufactured products and construction projects like towers. The focus of Fichep's A-series angle lines is generally furnished for detail elements found in typical structural steel fabrication. The entire punching, shearing, marking, positioning, and measuring systems are all incorporated within the fabrication cell. Even the hydraulic power unit is integrated into the machine base to minimize the required footprint. This design configuration makes the A-series lines ideally suited for locating the infeed outside the general fabrication bay. Once the leading end of the stock material is conveyed past the initial roller feed drive assembly, it is clamped hydraulically for automatic positioning and measuring. The leading end of the stock material is established with a non-contact sensor as a reference to locate the programmed operations. As angle material can be received from the mill with such rolling tolerance deviations as twist and bowing, the roller feed system on the A-series angle lines is designed to float both vertically and laterally. The roller feed assembly consists of two serrated wheels, one for driving and the second for measuring. Both maintain full contact with each angle leg surface to achieve maximum performance and accuracy. The heart of the fabrication cell of the A-series angle line centers around the punch press assemblies. The two punch frames are totally enclosed bridge-style presses that are rigidly mounted to the machine base. Each bridge press assembly can be furnished with 1, 2, or 3 quick-change inner C-frames. They can be easily removed, and they are keyed to facilitate the alignment of shape tooling. This design enables the utilization of different C-frames to accommodate the maximum hole size and even special tight gauge applications in the same part. Once the tooling is changed, the inner C-frames can be slipped into the bridge presses in seconds. Each inner C-frame is a separate controlled axis that can be rapidly positioned to the required gauge line to minimize non-productive process time. Only the tooling is moving to accommodate changes in the gauge line, as the permanently mounted press remains stationary. When the inner C-frame is not required for punching, it is positioned outside of the punch ram so it is not activated. This design eliminates the need for punch gag assemblies and their related parts to accomplish this function. The Fichep A-series angle line models for 160 or 200 mm angle legs can be furnished with either a programmable or a cartridge-style marking press. The A-series angle lines can also be equipped with an optional multi-function press. This versatile press can be furnished with quick-change tooling for large hole-size punching applications, notching, or even marking to expand their versatility. Mounted just before the shear is a second roller feed and drive assembly to maximize stock material utilization. The A-series angle lines can be supplied with additional clamping and tooling to also process flats and channels to further enhance the system's versatility. The material positioning rate of acceleration and deceleration, quick gauge line changes during the material positioning cycle, and high-performance hydraulics translates into industry-leading productivity for roller feed angle lines. For example, the A-series angle line can accomplish approximately 28 punching and shearing operations per minute when generating typical connection angles. The A-series angle lines represent just a small portion of the Fichep family of angle fabrication lines. The total product line addresses punching, drilling, marking, notching, shearing, and sawing. All products can be integrated with automated material handling systems for stock length loading and unloading to increase their efficiency. Let us review in detail your angle, flat, and channel fabrication applications to determine what is the most productive and economical approach for your firm. The The diversity of FeedChep's 29 different models and sizes of angle lines enables us to suggest the ideal solution to your application.